ventured out onto the lake to where no one has ventured yet this season. There are 0 holes. Ice is probably only about 2.5 inches thick. If I fall in, I'm close to shore. Oh, there we go. There we go. Fish on. What do we got here? Feels like a nice gill. Indeed, it is. Look at that. Woo-wee. Got a nice gill. But we got to get back down there because there's no time to waste when the school moves in like this. Give me back my worm. You can have a little bit to grow. Boom. There we go. Paid off. The wander down here. All by myself. I left the herd. All the people are back there right now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Hooked up. 2 in a row. Just like that. Oh yeah. They feel good too. These are some, oh yeah. Nice crappie. Crappie. Nice crappie. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what we need. We need some more of those. Let's get this back in the hole. Yeah! That was freaking awesome. There we go. Hooked up. Oh, this one feels nicer. This one feels much nicer. Not bad at all. I would say that's a good eater size right there. Back in the hole you go. I just absolutely love catching bluegill. But catching them in the wintertime, that's probably one of my favorite things to do. Just caught another nice little gill. I wouldn't say that these are eater size, but this one's definitely... he's gonna grow up to be a fatty someday. Give me back my worm! Alright. Let's go back down for some more. Got a bunch of marks. I'm chasing the school right now. They just keep moving on me. They're suspended about 10-15 feet off the bottom right now. Fish on. Well, this one doesn't seem of very much size. I would be correct. Oh, all wrapped up in the deucer. Doop, just like that. Little guy. Let's get back down there. That's the key. Oh, another fish on, just like that. Fish on, just like that. What do we got? Another little gill, probably. That dang deucer. Oh yeah, there we go. Fish on. What do we got here? What do we got here? Another sunny? Oh yeah. Just a beautiful fish. Look at the colors in that. Bye, glove. Oh, it's blown away. Let's get that back down there so we can get back down there.
Did they already tell you you're on call?
Yeah, I got the message today.
Now, do you drive plow truck or do you shovel?
No, I drive the plow truck.
So you're obligated.
Yeah.
much full.
Fish on. Fish on the phone.
That's how it always is.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a nice one too. I caught a beauty of a crappie today. Oh, that's a good gill right there, boys and girls. On the phone. Woo-hoo!
Are you keeping them?
I'm not keeping them. No, I'm just making a video.